The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057. 94851 58603 700-505-7728 8794-250646.
On the 19th of July 2024, the Vice President of the Nyo Trap Youth Council, HYC, Don Boklang Karlingdo, was summoned to the Sadar Police Station in Shillong following an FIR against him. The FIR was lodged by the police in connection with the recent demolition of a makeshift settlement and the eviction of illegal settlers in the Lom Survey area under the Cantonment Board. The HYC leader has been charged under 13 sections of the Indian Penal Code and has been ordered to comply with police directives. After appearing before 3 investigating officers at the Sadar Police Station, Don Boklang Karlingdo spoke to the media, expressing confidence and dismissing the summons and threats. He noted that he attended the investigation alone, dressed in house clothes and without a mobile phone, and was prepared for possible arrest. Karlingdo called on the government to better educate police officers to not only target pressure group leaders but also to effectively combat antisocial activities harming the community. He described the police summons as, quote, love letters, unquote, or license renewals from the government which he must address periodically.
Kajian jangan hang ni mendasgi ngalalong ready, lalong prepared. Ngawan lembar dia, betul lengkap janji. Kamera mobile, kamera wallet, kamera AI, nama ngakwa. Ba, pilakot hadir nak Porsche Sport. Ngalau iki, tap senun sayangan ni. Ngalau ready ben tap loya polong up lah ni ben cakem maras. Ngalau plan suba, kereta ngaweng iki. Wat nompat eliminate ya nah kumbah lajat yang kes di kumula tab lapangan section ni kumbah kat alai teli laingut ki investigation officer kilawan bansim statement nang tikni officer perlaingut ngalai kumbah ki kwa ban trilang ngai la i trilang kita ngaweng so ban ong shu mo nang liang jonga ngaketu ya kibreu kibran buat kamu buat keduaman tapi lah isi nilai thaj yang tu kacing idri jong badan Boklang Karlingdo keren saya direct gini officer kibadan apa ki police station lek kem not direct itu tap no itu nada pila ingat ban pe kedur itu nak Porsche ngai jumut juga por ya ke sorkan ba ngalai begini gibreu ki jongpi kibadan apa kami clear police kita betang kumdo ban khot hajiri ki noi lam sambalang hikairu ban pentebet yaki bakumdo bakin yakun pasha ya kecik seni kibadan masalah hikai ki kumno bakin kiam yaki nongto apa national highway hikai ki kumdo ban yada kejak ban reu jangi ban cheng ban pit perman ya kejuan buhai snong jong nongwe nongar ubanang meno layo ya residential Kapapurah ni hikai ro yaki kumno bakin kem yaki nong di drugs khamtam hikai ro kumno ban penem yaki mang salang kumbanging la penem ya kumban rup hotam kisam lagi bakar ni drugs ngila pha po rehabilitation center kalau long jinggerku ngadang keren mentah yo weni ki officer ngau kalong kumnu ka kes haba pi compare ma shabat mentah ngau pi dei ban sutho ba mentah kalang kham yar la decrease kanaka cases jogi ki kinang to hapo na maslong dikumbangi ngilap di kan sama hiru ko kesengkap hikai langi gibriu jong pi mendai tang men kinang ban khot hajir le ban kem gi nong lam sung halang hikai gi tilai tili tinang len jonga ngam ton isyu ban ong Henry manang ni nga ong ba ngalawan renew the license iri hapo sar position ngalawan house nem arja arpo arsau ngalakmi lenti bangsawan biang hadin arja pun reu Henry tang hadin arbanai ngalawan ban biang kam sim jonga kam tieng kam khau ai nang ni sikmat nganang yitre ban pentikna bagari bojai pun reu leng bakajing no senyal lang jongi kan hagi bubun mentah laken no laken tho ingi har kom rengim super namar bakam sim di kanang saat kanang ham hadu mentah nangin nang kun nginang yele bar nginom sange ro nam ta ban pendikna bakajat ben reu jongi kan hagi bubun ki bentah
kalau ke kan orang mentah bagi korban haji rapi
kumang ong ngam dei u ngadi leman mah ngam tip section ni new way officer wai khat lai tli section niru khat lai tli laingut ki officer khat lai tli section ngam tip le singa habane konsol ya ki bre ki badan pokaan hari tong chupulip ipima tangen khat lai kilabon ki section titang awing juang pengat ni ada section ngam lele namar ba lapang at masih idri nado man bangalami man syak diri jek menreu kare tangu tang ba kan gari jek menreu ngapedang I'm almost welcome yaki investigation officer yaki pulen patung tetap mapinan pengat susu inga bukan pengat inga kam lelai tam kan jek menreu leng ba ki isu ki bangi jumi nak pos ladang di influx issue lan di isu pembangi pun bandri drugs lan di isu jumlum sorbe lan di isu LP ni isu tu kami le pengat ingat kat bab hilak ban pengat nama sutu kalau enggak masuk ya kini ki investigation officer ban penhap itu ki section lan pengat section Henry kumong yang sesisian ya kesorkan bahikai ro mdi tang makin nang pengat section kini ki IO ki jongpi hikai ro iki kumlo bakin yakun persya ikam sniu